My name is Abby O'Day, and the topic that I have chosen for my my informative speech is what are the best ways to study? Do you know how to study? Well, I have some great tips for you. I found the best ways to study on the Learning Center, Harvard Summer School, and College Vine. Throughout this speech, I will give you tips and effective ways to study for your next test. To start with, the Learning Center has ways to study smarter, not harder. Reading through your study guide is not studying. An alternative way to study could be reading through the questions and explaining it step by step in how it works. Another good idea is to be a teacher. What I mean by this is saying it in your own words and out loud, and explaining it is a very good method. Whenever you get a free time, use that to your advantage to study. You can never study too much. There are many different ways to study for a test or better understand the topic you are learning. Ways to study like a Harvard student is not to cram on the day of the test. Ask for help if you are not understanding or need it. Finding your way of learning and many more. For example, taking breaks, studying with a friend, planning ahead, and finding the best ways to learn. Many people study it in many different ways. In these, college students express some ways that have helped them. One student says that flashcards have helped them when they have no one to study with and just want to quiz themselves. Another student said that using colorful pens helped them because it is a bright color so they could remember it more. Some even said that it is difficult to study it by themselves. So they suggested that finding a friend, family member, or even a study group really helped. The last student said that studying before bed helped them because they said that they could sleep on it. Throughout this speech, I hope that you got some tips and effective ways to study for your next test. The next time you study for a test and don't know some tips, you can use some of these to help. Thank you for listening.